Welcome everybody. It is a week 9. This is the week in which I'm launching my application officially on the 6th of June. Today I have in plan to record a video for Product Hunt and hopefully be able to schedule a launch on there for 6th of June. I also have to set up my recording software for vertical videos so I can record some promotional content for YouTube Shorts. Other than that, I will personalize Lemon Squeezy checkout since I wasn't been able to do it earlier, and I think now is the good time to implement analytics tool into my application so I can use their trial option and save a bit of money on that. That should be it, so let's get started. I had some issues with my previous application ClearPixel and I spent a good chunk of time on it. Now it's time to get back to working on Bento highlights. I have scheduled a launch on Product Hunt and there is less than 24 hours left to it. I have also implemented plausible analytics, as I said, which offers 30 days trial. So everything I did here is pretty much free, even a hosting on a Vercel, even though I do plan to purchase plan over there as well. But basically that is the reason why I haven't deducted anything from the amount I have given myself in this challenge. I haven't had to pay for anything yet. Maybe that changes soon. If launch goes well, maybe I will run some ads. Anyway, I need to prepare for tomorrow's launch. I still haven't created any YouTube shorts to promote the Bento highlights application, so I guess that should be my main goal for today, and maybe mention an application somewhere on some social media. Yesterday was the Bento Highlights launch day and the voting on Product Hunt has ended. My application ended up having 10 votes at the end of the day, which is bad to be honest. I got over 300 users in one day and I had one sale surprisingly. The amount of the sale will be added to challenge funds once it lands into my bank account, because I have no clue how the refunds and that stuff work here. And also Lemon Squeezy takes some percentage. Anyway, I shared my application anywhere I could and I will continue to do so for some time, but I don't think this application is going to be hit, so I better start thinking of a better idea. I need to create something that people really do need. Bento Highlights doesn't even fit in the nice to have category. This week's video is probably going to be a bit shorter, but I have to keep pushing videos and applications. I have to decide what are the next steps in this. Bento Highlights application had 470 users as of recording this clip and has 15 votes on Product Hunt, even though there is no more leaderboard for the 6th of June, so I don't know what do those votes mean now. I forgot to deduct the amount I paid for bentohighlights.com domain, which was $10.46, and for the payout from Lemon Squeezy there is a threshold. I have to earn at least $50 to be able to send those funds to my bank account. If I knew that before, I don't think I would have chosen Lemon Squeezy as a payment processor. Today I will finish up this video and upload it, and aside from that I will sit down and think about the next steps, because there is still no income on this journey and that is concerning. Bento Highlights is not really an application that is very useful and people are not ready to pay for this. I have gotten some comments that I should create the pro features free and then put the options to get donations if someone is willing to do so. Anyway, that should be it for this video. I'll get some ideas for the next week, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel to see the next steps we will take. Thank you and bye.